I went for a training ski up a side valley in a village, beautiful village called Pontresina. And there was a sign and it said something like 1811. And I thought, oh, well, that must be the altitude, 1811 meters. And I went a bit further and it said 1835. And yeah, we were climbing, maybe it was the altitude. And then it said 1878. And then it said 1910. And I suddenly realized this was the year when the glacier reached to those points. Right? That's what they were doing, is memorializing that glacier, which was receding. And I got all the way to the end, and this was, 2003 or 2004, and it was miles and miles of cross country from the valley up, just passing these signs to get to where the glacier had receded over that period of under 200 years. And I thought, holy moly, this is fast. And then just thinking, this stuff is not theoretical. This is coming after environments that I love, right? And if I ever had any doubts about the sector I want to work in, then they were gone. That was it.